Alright, the camera's watching the gongs now. Holy crap! All I seen off of that was a big old white dust. That 30-06 is something else. Alright. Now I'm going to shoot my AR. The first 5 shots are our Dillon reloads of 52 grain spear bullets. And then the last 5 are M193 55 grain full metal jacket. Ow! Damn, that brass landed right on my hand. Nope, that one hit low. So that's 3. Maybe holding too high. Four. 5. All right, now these next 5 are M193 full metal jacket. Hit that one. Hit that one. Oh, damn, I missed. Oh, just hit the right side of that big white one. That's 10 shots. That's pretty fun. He's back shooting that paper. Good times.